Watching YouTube videos, how to make money. You have to admit that, like everyone else, you watch YouTube videos every day. Recently, we discovered a technique to make money while viewing those YouTube films. And you can check out some of the payment documentation online simply by watching YouTube videos. They accept various payment methods including PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfers, Payoneer, Payeer, and Skrill. This applies to all countries in the world. So, let's start with the step-by-step guide since we will always walk you through everything. Therefore, if you follow along with us as we complete the video, you go ahead and do the same. As we go on to the second step, you do the second step, and so on. You will see significant growth by the end of this video, and you will be prepared to begin earning money. But before going ahead, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to our channel to always stay updated with awesome ways to make money from the comfort of your home. Now, let us first understand the steps to earn money. We'll start with step 1, which is to head over to YouTube right away. Before we can show you how to make money from your YouTube videos, we need to set up a few things. First, head over to YouTube and search for various keywords. For instance, you might search for a keyword related to gaming. What's popular in the game industry, such as Fortnite, Minecraft, GTA 5, or whatever else comes to mind that's specific to that industry. What do you typically watch on YouTube? Make sure the search term is well known. If you frequently watch gaming videos, for example, you could search for Fortnite and leave the page open while doing so. We'll get back to this page in a moment. Next, you're going to join a website called shrinkme.io. This is the website that we will be using to get paid just for watching these movies on YouTube. And you will see precisely how this works. You wish to visit shrinkme.io right now and register for a free account by clicking the register button. If you're wondering what this is, it's a service that shortens links. This implies that you can copy any URL or link for anything, paste it here, and they will shorten it for you. Now, whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you'll get paid. As you will see, you will be paid $220 for every 10,000 views, $22 for every 1,000 clicks, or $2.20 for every 100 clicks. But you will also discover exactly how this works and how you may profit from watching YouTube videos. Now, the reason we choose shrinkme.io over other link shortening services is because of their affordable minimal payout of just $5. You can reach $5 in a matter of minutes, at which point you can cash out to PayPal or any other preferred payment method. You can literally get paid today via PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Paytm, Skrill, Payeer, or bank transfer, depending on your preference. Consequently, you don't have to wait around to have hundreds of dollars or to get paid for months. Pros of ShrinkMe. There are several different payment methods available. You will eventually discover the payment method that is ideal for you. Other than that, ShrinkMe requires a $1 deposit to get started. ShrinkMe has a low payment withdrawal threshold, so you won't have to wait very long until you've earned enough money to start a withdrawal. A referral scheme is available through the link shortening network ShrinkMe, which is an extra way to monetize the service. You may keep an eye on your current performance using ShrinkMe, and you can withdraw money daily via the link shortening network. So, what is the process? As we mentioned, you first need to click the register button to create a free account. You will input your email address right here, establish a password for your account, and then create a unique username, which may be whatever you like. Re-enter the same password, select I'm not a robot, and then select register. If you agree to the terms of the user privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on one of these two links, you can go back and accept them. After that, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can monitor your earnings. From here, you can see how much money you made from those YouTube videos, and the total number of views and earnings you received. On the left side, you can also withdraw your funds. The reason we search for the Fortnite keyword is that the game is so hugely popular and trending. For instance, when a Fortnite video was posted, it received 400,000 views in 10 hours and 200,000 views in 6 hours. Since many people are interested in Fortnite and find those videos entertaining, making money with this won't be too difficult. All you have to do is find an extremely popular keyword such as Fortnite or anything else that you can think of that you typically watch that is extremely popular. In our case, it will once more be Fortnite. For instance, open up any of the videos and click on them. Then, all you have to do is watch the video through to the very end, keeping in mind that it's a good one. Sit back and enjoy the show. After that, we'll show you how ShrinkMe will compensate you for doing that. For the time being, your task is simply to watch those amusing, trendy videos, ensuring they are good in the process. Once you are done watching a video, you should copy the video's URL. What to do next? Having seen it through to the end, you can now copy the link that directs viewers to the video. Then, return to the ShrinkMe dashboard, or shrinkme.io, and select the new Shorten a Link option. Now you need to paste the video's URL and click Shorten. As you can see, this will give you a short link that directs users to the YouTube video. However, you will be paid each time a user clicks on this link. You can then see exactly how this will generate income for you. Copy the shortened YouTube link, and then visit forums.pcgamer.com. This website will put everything on autopilot, so we can watch the YouTube videos without interruption. You can also get paid every single day just like that by using this website. On the website, you can see that this is real payment evidence and that people are receiving payments every single day. Anyway, forums.pcgamer.com is a forum where people gather to talk about gaming, including all of those different games and other topics. We use this forum because this website receives more than 20 million visits each month, meaning that every single month, more than 20 million people use it. If you do the math, it can amount to a lot of clicks, and we can make a lot of money from those clicks, which is why you should only watch popular topics and popular search phrases on YouTube, so you can get more clicks and make more money. As a result, the more well-liked the videos you watch, the more money you can earn. What to do after having the keyword? Now, we want you to visit forums.pcgamer.com where, as mentioned, people discuss all of the various online games. In this case, the keyword will be Fortnite. So, let's do a search for that. You'll be able to see that there are new posts about the game posted here on the forum every single day, at every hour, indicating that many people are interested in it. Now, how do we actually get them to click on our link so we can profit from it? How do we get them to click on our shortened link which directs users to this YouTube video? You simply need to post a popular topic or some news and information regarding the video game Fortnite, followed by a link to the video. You can go to Google and search for Fortnite news and find articles with updates or breaking news about the game. For instance, open the first one, copy the article, and paste it into Google Docs. Below the article, just copy the title of your video, such as Best Fortnite Update, and paste it. Simply copy your abbreviated link from shrinkme.io, then paste it at the conclusion. Copy the full article and post it on forums.pcgamer.com. People will be interested in news and updates and will see, for instance, the best Fortnite update and the link after reading the news and updates. You can reach hundreds of thousands of people and get thousands and thousands of people to click on one of your posts because, as you can see, millions of people use this website. You can only imagine how much money you can make by watching more and more videos, shortening more and more links, and posting more and more posts on forum.pcgamer.com. In order to get as much money as you can, go out there and search for the Fortnite keyword. Watch as many videos as you can and collect as many links as you can. So, what are you waiting for? Now that you know how to get rich while watching videos on YouTube, it's your time to get rich using this method. We will see you in our next video. Until then, happy earning!